Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that just came out today. I was able to get my hands on a pair, so I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at them. We're talking about the Air Force One Low Pink Rose. It's a pink shoe. It has a big Valentine's Day feel to it, so Nike had to drop it in February, but it has a different kind of theme to it. So I'll talk about the theme when I start describing the shoe to you guys. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop a new content to the channel and help us grow this channel to 1,500 subscribers. We're well on our way and we're almost there. I want to thank you guys, man, for helping me reach each goal every time, man. And also, if you guys want to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys could just head over to Instagram and Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch that you see me wearing in these videos, like this hoodie I have on here, got the big P4YT on the pocket right here. I know you guys can't see it because I'm sitting down, but yeah, that's on the website, man. I have a couple of new drops, and I also have something that I'm dropping tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. You guys can just head over to the website, and the website is p4yt2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Air Force One Pink Rose. Let's get straight into the shoe. The shoe was inspired by a plastic bag. When you go to a store in New York City, I don't know about other places, you go to a store, you get the plastic bag and it says, thank you for shopping, have a nice day, with a smile in the middle. So, this shoe comes with a bag. I'll definitely put in the video for you guys can see, but let's get into the shoe. The shoe is pink leather, pretty much going all around the whole shoe. You have pink leather, you got a pink toe box, pink toe front right here, slide over to the back. You got a pink swoosh, pink leather here. Slide over back here. You got the Air Force One. You got the Nike Air sign here in leather. Leather's pretty premium. It's not that cheap leather. The leather feels pretty good. You have the pink laces also. You got a Nike swoosh right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's stitching right here. You come over here to the top of the mesh tongue. You have red, stitching or whatever the case may be with the Nike logo here. And the inside of the shoe, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me move this over. It says have a nice day on the insole there. On the sole, you have all white sole, and you have Nike here in red, and then you have like a flower here. So it can go for a Valentine's Day shoe, but it's inspired by plastic bag that you would get when you go to a grocery store or something like that, man. But I'm really, really happy that Nike is bringing back the Air Force Ones, man. I see they have a popcorn theme Air Force One coming out. That's kind of crazy. I'm gonna definitely try to get my hands on those. Nike is doing the whole OG retro thing, pretty dope, man. They bringing out a lot of old school dunks that's coming out now, and I see they theming up the Air Force One, so hopefully we can get some of those classic Air Force Ones that came out in the early 2000s, late 2000s, or whatever the case may be. But I think these are clean. I think the leather, these are also black box Air Force Ones, not gray, so the material is gonna be better off the jump, but it feels pretty good. The leather's pretty premium, it's pretty soft. Like you can't go wrong with something like this, man. Like if you want to shine in the summertime, you want to just throw something on real quick, a good look, your feet be looking good, this is a shoe you definitely can do it with, man. I'm really not a fan of all white sole Air Force Ones. I feel like, you throw a gun bottom down here, something to make this shoe look even more crazier. That's my opinion. That's just how I look at it. Having a gun bottom on the bottom of your shoe is a cheat code for sure, man. But these are clean. I like these, man. Can't go wrong, man. Let me know what y'all think. Leave in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna keep it all the way trill like I always do, man. I'm gonna give these joints 3.5 out of 5 pennies. I'm not really a fan of the all white sole. I love the leather, but I'm not a fan of the all pink situation, man. They got the Killer Cam situation going on here, and I'm not really a fan of the color pink. Or if, you know, I feel like they could have did a little bit more, but the leather's premium on here, and the shoe looks good, man. I'm just not a fan of the color, man. But let me know what y'all rank it. You know, if I ranked it too low, leave in the comments below. But I think these are clean, man. I think Nike did a great job with this shoe. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.